Hi, hello, namaste, vanakkam, sashrikal. I brought to you a new topic. Part 2 is check the spare parts of smart line module power blocks. That is IGBTs, IGD4Card and capacitors and sensors. And as well as assembling of the spare parts in power block. Power block consists mainly CT, 6 numbers of capacitors, 1 set of IGBT, IGD4Card and temperature sensor. Now we will discuss about how to check the spare parts. First check the capacitors. If capacitor has not been charged from long period, we should charge the capacitors with applying of 24 volt DC in continue of 15 to 20 minutes. Installed rated capacitance is 4200 microfarad and measured value is 3562 microfarad. After checking of capacitors, cleaning with petrol in area of capacitors and IGBT placement area. Apply the heatsink compound for IGBT to improve the heat transfer. Heatsink compound also known as thermal grease. We have already discussed about IGBT checking in part 1. After applying of thermal grease on base of IGBT, place the IGBT on power block, tightens the nut and bolts, vice versa for second IGBT. Actually in smart line module or motor module having 3 power blocks. These power blocks for 3 phase, each phase having individual power block, each power block having 4 IGBTs. 12 IGBTs for 12 pulse in smart line module, each IGBT having parallel opposite diode. It's called freewheeling diode. It's always not allowing the current in reverse direction. Now fixing of IGD4 card on IGBT module. This card is used to switching off IGBTs. Before tightening the nut and bolt of IGD4 card, we have to ensure temperature sensor connection and resistance value of temperature sensor and having 2 numbers of bladers. Resistance is 5 kilo ohm. After tightening up IGD4 card on IGBTs, we have to place the bus bars DC plus and DC minus. Ensure the bus bar tightness and placement of bus bars on capacitors and as well as on IGBT. And one more thing to ensure before placing of bus bar on IGBT module, in between bus bar DC plus and DC minus having separate insulation sheet. We have to place the insulation sheet in between DC plus and DC minus. After finishing of the bus bar tightness, placing the acrylic sheet for guarding. After assembling of spare parts in power block, check the IGBT values with multimeter in diode mode. Shown measure values of power block in between DC positive to line and DC negative bus bar to line. In the same way, we have to check and assemble the spare parts of IGBTs for power blocks, that is R phase and Y phase and P phase. In next part, I will show you how to simulation of SLM module and precharging of SLM module. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.